Welcome back, guys. This is Jared, and we were talking about what is wholesaling. So wholesaling is effectively selling pieces of paper. That's it in a nutshell. It's oversimplistic how I put it, of course, but that's what it means. Have you ever walked past a house that was old, empty, vacant, and wondered if I had money and a team, I would buy that house, fix it up, sell it, and make profit? Well, if you see a house like that, or you find a deal and you get it under contract, you can actually, let's just say you're going to buy this house for $100,000. The resale is $250,000. You found an old crappy house. They're willing to sell it to you. You put it under contract, which basically means that you have the right to purchase that property. No one else after that point has the right to purchase that property. So what happens after that? You don't have any money, and you don't have a crew to fix things up yet. So what you can do is take that piece of paper, that contract, and sell your rights to that contract to a flipper who actually has all that stuff. So you can sell that contract for, depending on the deal, anywhere from $2,000 to $60,000. It really depends on the deal and what you're able to do. The biggest wholesale I ever done was for $22,000. I got something under contract. I gave this piece of paper to another flipper. He took it and he did his thing, and for me to sell my rights to that contract, he paid me $22,000. Now, on average, for me personally, my average wholesale is for $10,000. So that is a wholesaling in a nutshell. You get something under contract, right? You find a buyer, a cash buyer, that can close quickly, and so you go to your buyer. I got one for you. Awesome. He takes the contract. We send it over to the escrow company, and then at closing or before, the buyer's paying you $10,000, $22,000, $30,000. So this is a great way, and the vast majority of ways people start in real estate. Because you don't need any money to do this. All you need to do is find the deal. So find the deal whether it's on the market, find the deal whether you find a vacant home or anywhere else like that. So you can find a deal, get under the contract, sell it to someone else, and you can start building up capital for a rental portfolio, or to actually start doing flips yourself. So if you guys want to know why I do wholesaling instead of flipping and other strategies, let me know in the comments, and I will be more than happy to share that information in my next video, or any other videos that you want to know, any other how-tos or instructional videos you're looking for. Make sure to like and subscribe. I love you guys, and you have a good one.